To crazy legs option number 2. This is not necessarily a continuation of the first one. This is like a different way to learn it. Doesn't really matter which level of skater you are. If you're a higher level, lower level, either one are kind of equal. We're going to start by pushing out of the left skate. Like, I'm going to really put my weight there, and I'm going to push myself onto the right skate in a open position. I'm using my weight to the left to kind of catapult me over to the right and set both feet down. Then, for our purposes now, we're just going to practice pushing out of this outside foot into the open position, and then maybe step, just to stop. We'll try that again. So, pushing this side to the right, I'm pushing out of the left leg really hard, stepping over to the right, and then stepping to stop myself. Transferring my weight over here, pushing myself over to the left side, step, step. That's number 1. In our knees, I'm firing up the left leg to push myself out to the right, and place my right foot down, and then step to stop myself. Now my weight is transferred to the right. I'm really putting my weight in the right skate to push myself over to the left and stopping myself. We practice this to music on tempo, so you could start to go like a 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Something like that, just to get a rhythm going. Over, stop, push, stop, push, stop. Once we feel comfortable in this open position glide, we're going to work on what our toes do at the end once we do the stop, because we're not going to just randomly stop anymore. We're beyond that. You're better than that. So I'm still starting off pushing out of the left, open position. Now I lift up, you'll see this, I have to lift up into my toe wheels to turn my feet and set them back down. Got that? My back foot, if you have a toe stop and you feel more comfortable while you're just starting out, you can actually put your toe stop down to stabilize yourself there. That's fine. The front foot should feel stable in this position as long as your knees are bent. Okay, next part. We're still firing up the right leg to push out of it over to the left. So I'm bending my knees, pushing into my open position, lifting up my heels, and setting this back down. I'm doing it really like exaggerated so you can see what my feet are doing, but when I do it for real, don't lift your heels that high. It should look more like, but I wanted to point out that you do need to lift your heel in order to get it to rotate into this position. Want to practice this again to music, and maybe you start off doing timing slow like this. So you could go 1, 2, 3, 4. Push open 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push hard out of this on the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you've got that on a 4 count, then we're going to try and change it up a little bit. You're going to try and go 1, 2, 3, wait 4. 1, 2, 3, wait 4. 1, 2, 3, wait 4. Going to keep moving on that same line. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. You can bounce 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last step to your crazy legs is going to be going 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So you're open, close, open, close. So I went from being huge, close, to a little bit shorter, to right on top of myself. And now I'm doing crazy legs in place. But it's basically the same thing, just squeezed out. Pretty cool, right? 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then you're doing it. Here's your crazy legs. Pretty good. If you're interested in learning some more moves, I teach once a month in Santa Monica with LA Roller Girls. We have monthly workshops. Make sure you check us out at larollergirls.com/workshops. If you're interested in booking a private session, you can reach out to me through Instagram. I work remotely or in person. So yeah, would love to skate with you. Later, skaters!